Welcome to my presentation of the change process at Springfield General Hospital. My name is Moise Esunga. The agenda. We'll start with the need for change, then the step planned change process. We will mention teams involved and the sequence implementation of new technology, the use of techniques for mutual engagement, and I will end up with taking questions. The need for change. 77,000 patients are killed or harmed annually in U.S. hospitals due to medication mistakes and adverse drug events. The common error, handwriting identification. That was made worse by failed implementation of the computerized physician order entry system at Springfield General Hospital. The overview of the problem. What went wrong? There is a strong possibility that technology made staff less careful. We have noticed over-reliance of information in the system, no double checking of patients' name and medication, ambiguity and over medication, modification and counseling, the use of warehousing criteria rather than clinical guidelines. There are also some problems that were inherent to the system itself. For example, fragmented system displays that prevent a coherent view of patients, pharmacy inventory displays mistaken for dosage guidelines, ignored antibiotic renewal notice placed on page chart rather than in the CPO system, separation of functions that facilitate double dosing and incompatible orders, inflexible ordering format generating wrong orders. Now, we will conduct our change in 3 steps. We are going to follow Lewin's change model, which is on freeze, step 1, move or change, and refreeze. On the first step on freeze, we will ensure that employees are ready for change. And the second step, change or move, we will execute the intended change. And at the refreezing step, we will ensure that the change becomes permanent. Then our overall process, change process, will be following the sequential model of effective change implementation proposed by Spectra. We will start with a mutual engagement of doctors and staff in a shared diagnosis of problem. Then we will move on the first step for a redesign. In that step, we will redesign new strategically aligned behavior by defining new roles, responsibilities, relationships. The second step will be mainly to bring help to the staff. Then we will choose the appropriate technology, implement a pilot project, train all the staff involved, mentor them, and coach them. third step will be people alignment. Then we will do all type of assessment, and we will do promotion, we will do replacement and recruitment for with people that will align with the new behavior and with the new process. The last step, the fourth step, will be the system and structures. We will put in place a reporting system. While report system and relationships, and we will have in place compensation. Information will be distributed across the whole company, and we will put in place measurement and control to make sure the process is smooth. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and I'm ready to take questions.